Today's dinner is all about bold flavor and comfort. Juicy barbecue chicken coated in a sticky smoky sauce paired with creamy mashed potatoes and fresh mango salad. This is the kind of meal that makes the kitchen smell amazing and keeps everyone waiting at the table. Let's get cooking.
Winfrey's Kitchen!
Let's start with our 5 drumsticks already brined overnight. First, make incisions on the chicken so that the marinade penetrates deeply. This helps the chicken to cook evenly and the marinade to soak into every part. Now, let's marinate the chicken. Add 3/4 cup of natural yogurt, spices which include 1 teaspoon paprika and 1 teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon oregano and 1/4 teaspoon cayenne for heat, half teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Season with salt to taste, then squeeze in 1 fresh lemon. Mix everything thoroughly until the chicken is coated on every side. Once everything is well coated, cover and allow to marinate. 2 hours is good, but overnight is better because the flavor fully develops. When the chicken is ready, arrange it on a baking tray and place it on a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Now roast for 40 minutes. Turn it halfway and return the chicken in the oven. This helps the chicken cook evenly and develop a nice color. To make our barbecue sauce, place a pan on a medium heat, add a little oil and 1 tablespoon of butter and allow the butter to melt gently. Add 2 tablespoons of finely minced onions for a few seconds until smooth and fragrant. Add half teaspoon dried oregano and stir to release its aroma. Now pour in 1/4 cup barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon honey, and squeeze in 1 lemon juice. Season with salt to taste. Stir everything together until well combined. At this point, taste the sauce and adjust sweetness, salt, or heat to your liking. Now add the roasted chicken to the sauce and mix well until every piece is fully coated and glossy. Garnish with sesame seeds, then remove from heat and the barbecue chicken is ready to serve. With the barbecue chicken ready, it's time to prepare a comforting side to go with it: mashed potatoes. Now, cut the potatoes into wedges. The original plan was to make wedges, but things changed along the way, and that's okay. Add the potatoes to a sufuria with water and bring to a boil. For blanching wedges, 5 to 7 minutes is enough. Anything longer and they start cooking through. The potatoes cooked a bit than planned, so instead of wasting them, the decision was made to turn them into mashed potatoes. No food wasted here. In a pan, add a little oil and a bit of butter. Once melted, add small cubed onions and minced garlic and saute till soft and fragrant. Mash the potatoes until smooth or slightly chunky, depending on your preference. Mix in the sauteed onions and garlic. If the mash is too thick, add a little milk or cream and mix until you reach your desired consistency. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. The mashed potatoes are now creamy, flavorful, and ready to serve. Now that everything is ready, let's plate this beautiful meal. Add a generous scoop of creamy mashed potatoes to the plate and spread it slightly. Place the barbecue chicken neatly beside the mashed potatoes. Serve the mango salad on the side to balance the plate. And finally, put the barbecue sauce on the side for dipping. And that's our dinner. Simple, flavorful, and made with love. If you enjoyed this, support the channel by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!